So today I got in the mail, Ridge sent me their hook. So we're gonna do a little opening the box review on it. It's their new door opener multi-tool that was released basically right after this COVID-19 crap that we're all going through. They sent it out to me to check it out, review it, and see what it's all about. So it comes in a nice solid box. It's pretty sturdy actually. Saran wrapped. It's about the size of the old iPhone 5 SE box wise. So it's the hook, door opener, and multi-tool. It's supposed to fit on your keychain. It's nice, small. Packaging is very tight. Foam. I don't think there's anything else in here, but since we're opening it, let's check it out. Nope, just cardboard. Put a little money into their packaging though. Solid aluminum. Got the door opener. Got a little hex spot on, perfect for your key ring. It's got like a little pry bar. I don't think I'll ever use it, but the hook and the bottle opener part, that will definitely get used. It is brass, so it is the material they chose to go with is actually it's supposed to resist bacteria or something along those lines, but this will definitely get used. Bottle opener, definitely. This one will open cans real well. It's solid. It's got a little weight to it. I like it. It's also supposed to be touchpad sensitive, so you don't have to use your finger on touchpads, keypads, ATMs, credit card processing machines. So that's in regards to size. My Ford F-350 truck fob. It's a little bit longer, but it's very similar. So there's your review on the Ridge, the hook. Thank you, Ridge, for hooking me up and sending that out to me. Hope I can do some reviews for some more of your products. Everyone, have a good holiday weekend. Stay safe. Don't drink and drive. And enjoy your family. Thank you to the military out there that have risked their lives for us. We appreciate it. and all my brothers and sisters that are active military right now, thank you.